Konnichiwa, Abby desu. Hello everyone, it's Abby. Today's video, I'll be showing you my everyday kawaii living doll makeup look inspired by my favorite living dolls. Today's look is inspired in particular by Dakota Rose. This video is in collaboration with Yesstyle. They sent me a few makeup products to review for you all. So I'll be using some of those for today's makeup look. As always, don't forget to use my discount code capital CUTE123 for an extra 5% off all your orders on Yesstyle. I'm first starting off with some sunscreen. I already applied this on my face with my usual skincare. But I also like to make sure to apply some sunscreen on my neck. I love how moisturizing it feels on my skin and the extra benefit of having SPF 50. I always like to moisturize my lips. So for today, I'm using the Berrysome Real Me Bouncy Lip Balm in the shade 01 Pale Pink. I love this lip balm because it has a subtle tint of pink. It's quite moisturizing on the lips, which I love. I like to start by applying a cream colored eyeshadow on my eyelid and my under eyes. I do like to focus the color more on my under eyes since I want my under eyes and Yesstyle to pop. Then I like to apply some light brown eyeshadow on my eyelid. Make sure it's not a dark brown but more of a very light, subtle brown shade. I also like to blend a bit of the light brown eyeshadow color on the side of my eyes to give the illusion of bigger eyes. Something new that I've started doing that I feel really helps creating the living doll look is applying this reddish brown shade on the ends of the eyes. This will help create an illusion of a bigger eye and will help connect the eyeliner with the eyeshadow. Using the same reddish brown eyeshadow color, I like to apply on the under eyes to really define the Yesstyle. I like to go back with the cream shade we used at the beginning and apply that on my under eyes. Now I'm using another Yesstyle product, and this is the Milk Touch Fairy Jewel Eye Glitter in the shade number 4 Snow Prism Jewelry. I'm applying that all over my under eyes. It's got a nice subtle tint of pink which works perfectly for this living doll makeup look. I find that using eye glitter really makes Yesstyle stand out, so I really recommend it. Next, I like to go with a light brown shimmer for my eyelid. Using a more white base shimmer, I like to apply that on my under eyes. I love using liquid base eye glitter and then go over that with a powder base shimmer eyeshadow. For most of the living dolls, they rarely use bright eyeshadow colors. Instead, they focus on the Yesstyle and shimmer to make the eyes more doll-like. Next, I like to curl my upper and lower lashes. Using any liquid eyeliner, I like to make a downward wing, or what many like to call the puppy eyeliner. I do try to make sure it's all thin throughout. Something new that I've started doing is making sure to tightline. For those of you who do not know what tightlining is, this means to apply eyeliner in such a way as to fill in the spaces between the roots of the eyelashes. This will add thickness to the eyeliner while still making it look clean. I find that by doing this, it makes my eyes more round and doll-like and somewhat gives the appearance of wearing enlarging contact lenses. Since I have very dark brown eyes, when I apply on liner in this way, it makes my eyes look very doll-like. Next, I like to apply on mascara on my upper and lower lashes. I do like to start by applying mascara on my lower lashes first. Some people skip applying mascara on the lower lashes, but for a living doll makeup look, it is crucial for this style. It's what's going to make the eye appear a lot bigger, rounder, and doll-like. I love using mascara from the brand Isehan. In particular, their waterproof mascara. This is by far my favorite mascara to use. I've purchased various different mascaras from this company, from some that claim to lengthen the lashes and others that claim to create volume. Each and every single one that I've used, I have loved. They do in fact create length and volume according to the one you purchase, and this brand by far sells the best mascara in my personal opinion. I'm using this Korean liquid blush Yesstyle sent me. It's the Glow Liquid Cream Blusher in the shade number 01 Apricot. I absolutely love the subtle peach shade to it. However, since this is a living doll makeup look, I'm going to go ahead and show you what blush I typically use for my usual makeup routine. I like to apply cream eyeshadow color as a base for my blush. Then I like to go over with a pink powdered blush. This helps the area pop and for the pink blush to stand out. Make sure to apply it on the apples of the cheeks, focusing on the center of the face. For my lips, I'm using this other Yesstyle product they sent me. This is from the brand Code Glow Color and it's the Fix on Glow Tint 5 colors in the shade 01 Toe Shoes Pink. It's more of a warm reddish tone to it, and it's got a glossy finish. It's such a pretty shade, perfect for a summer or autumn look. However, for my everyday living doll makeup look, I like to apply on some concealer on my lips. Then I go in with the e.l.f. Seriously Satin Lipstick in the shade Taffy. This is my favorite go-to pink lipstick for my living doll makeup. I focus the color on the center of my lips for more of that doll lip. The color is quite pigmented, so I apply on just a little bit and then blend with my fingers. I continue to do that over and over again until I have the right shade of pink. I'm a big fan of Korean makeup looks as well, and I'm very inspired by my favorite K-pop idol, Wonyoung. So I always make sure to create a fake birthmark on my face using liquid eyeliner. I like to place the birthmarks in a similar position as Wonyoung. This is just personal preference. You do not have to do this.
Hey girl.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to become part of the kawaii family. Follow me at @the_Abby on Instagram for some kawaii fashion inspiration. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. 見てくれてありがとうございます。バイバイ。